Hey guys, this is Substitute Topher. Today you join me in Steamboat Springs, Colorado at the Bridgestone Winter Driving School with this, an old friend, the current gen, I suppose, or last gen, Toyota 4Runner on the new Bridgestone Dueler AT Ascent, a tire that we're actually somewhat familiar with because the Topher himself has these on his Ranger Raptor. We've been testing these in the snow back at home in Michigan, but today we're actually comparing them to a Pirelli all-terrain tire on a bit of a snowy off-road course to test handling, test grip, stopping power, things like that. So we're gonna be driving a white 4Runner with Pirellis, and then we're gonna be driving this 4Runner with the Bridgestone Dueler AT Ascent. Now these are an all-terrain tire, but they are 3-peak mountain snowflake certified. So these do work as snow tires, and as we've seen at home in testing these in the snow on the Ranger Raptor, they have been quite impressive. So we're gonna go ahead and jump forward a bit to the Pirelli. Actually, we're gonna start with the Pirelli, and then we're gonna drive this 4Runner and compare this Dueler AT Ascent. So this first 4Runner has the Pirelli Scorpions. We're gonna be driving on this first, and then we're gonna switch into the red 4Runner that's over there, right? It's actually coming around the corner here right now. That has the Bridgestone Dueler. So a little bit of a comparison here to start us off. So let's go ahead and jump in.
Anybody on 24 there, can you guys see if there's a rubber ground on the ground?
All right, so I've got Claire in the right seat, Mike's in the back again, and go ahead and give this a shot.
If you want to start a little slower, you're welcome to.
Do you have
Okay.
room for two?
You're good.
Good.
Scott, do you want to show us room for
See what
two?
you can get.
I have room for two in 37. Sweet. Got
Nice.
two headed your way, just a second.
Oh, I'm not seeing a rubber grommet anywhere.
Copy, thank you very much. Back up and just put people over from those demo area. And just drive them over, thanks.
Ooh. Slippery. I haven't driven a 4Runner in so long.
They have a very different feel
Yes.
from the more passenger-oriented
Yeah.
vehicles.
Okay.
All right, so try for a little more speed anywhere
Yeah.
that you can get it on the next one.
I feel like initial bite on these is not super great. Turn in. Wow.
Yeah, Kurt, to win or Nick.
When you are ready.
In
Good to go?
21 or
Good
22.
to go. We are clear.
You could
We'll click away.
there to this area and just pick up a couple more.
Make that ABS traction control work.
We're actually on the way up there, so nice.
So we're full on. All the assists are on right now.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, so you're transiting to the
It's a
south.
little easier for you to know when stuff's going sideways.
Sure.
And we took out a lot more cones when we turned them off.
Oh, okay.
So
When you were doing your testing earlier.
try to get a little more speed up here. You can
Okay.
actually take a bit more up the hill.
Oh, okay. For this
Yeah.
section, you mean? Okay, I gotcha.
Yeah. So once you come out of that lane change, you can accelerate up that hill more.
Okay. Yeah. Do that for the next round.
Yep.
It's quite icy right there at the starting box.
It is. All right. When you're ready.
Good.
They are far enough. It's that light touch on the gas pedal.
Yeah. Right. That was 19.
Hey.
Not bad.
You gotta get a parking ticket there.
Yeah. Ooh, it does not like that.
No.
It's so funny, these old Toyotas, it's so apparent that the traction control is kicking in because
Yes.
it's so loud.
Yeah. Some people think that their car's broken.
It's like the hill ascent or the trail assist or whatever they call it on these. It's so
Like,
loud.
Yeah, the crawl mode thing.
Crawl, yeah, crawl control.
That's
Yep,
it.
that's it.
We don't use that here.
Yeah.
Doesn't do much. So, probably do another run or two and then switch
Okay.
drivers.
Sounds good.
We got one cone to move when the track is clear.
Okay, you're good.
Good.
We'll do one more lap and we'll be done. We'll stop.
He's gonna get it. Do we get it?
20?
Nice. He's using the slide to help.
Yes.
Beautiful.
I kind of.
They did that.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got it. We got it. I kind of honestly like that the traction control gives you a little bit of slip in this, just because it makes it feel a little bit more natural than some of the newer cars we were driving earlier.
They're trying to think a lot.
Yeah.
Still pulls you out a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Swap.
Yeah, you want to give it a go?
Sure.
If
We can stop, right?
And
Cool.
you're clear for
All right, now we're going to jump into the red 4Runner that has the new Bridgestone Dueler AT Ascent, and we'll compare them to the Pirelli, see what the differences are.
Do you have a YouTube
Alright.
channel or something? Or
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah, the TOPher.
The TOPher, huh?
Yes.
It's nice you got to come and play with us.
Yes, thank you.
Are you ready?
So let's see what we got. I think I was taking this at like 17 in the
Okay.
Pirellis, so we'll see.
Let's see. It's getting slicker every lap.
Yes.
Lift off, steer. Good
Yep,
job.
nice. Yeah. Had a lot more initial slip with the Pirellis as well.
Yeah, and they're hard to bring back in, I think.
Yeah.
Once you lose that grip, turn hard left.
Yep.
And accelerate out of here. And, oh man, he really hit some cones there.
Did I?
Somebody really hit.
Oh, I was gonna say, did I? I
Oh,
don't
you
think I
did.
did.
No, you're doing great. Okay, now put your door by those two cones and accelerate up the hill pretty briskly.
Okay. Gotta really encourage this 4Runner to kick down to
Yeah. We were
give
trying
it a
to
lot
run
of
it in
throttle.
second just so we wouldn't get a lot of wheel spin.
Okay.
Okay. You feel the difference a little bit?
I do, and you can see how much that one slips off the
Mhm.
line, giving this a similar amount of throttle. It's quite a bit more confident. Also, more of a gradual breakaway
Uh-huh.
with these instead of kind of like an on-off switch with the Pirellis.
I noticed with this, I've driven a lot of them, both trucks a lot, and when you understeer a little bit and then you unwind it, it takes a lot less unwinding to get these to hook up than it did those. You almost have to be going back straight.
Right.
Okay.
Good to go. Yeah. This is actually getting a little bit more slick through here too.
Oh, every run it gets
Every run it gets
yeah.
more slick, yeah.
And then accelerate out. Let's back on the throttle. Out the bottom of the hill, lift off and steer to the left. And now add some throttle.
Cool.
Let's do another one.
So we actually run these tires on our Ranger Raptor.
The Ascent?
Yes.
Okay.
They've been very impressive for a non-dedicated
Nice to hear. Yeah.
winter tire.
And supposedly the compound will last longer. You know, you'll get
Yeah.
another season out of them. So,
Right.
So we're told. Yeah, there you go. That was nice lifting off the. And back on it.
Yeah. Yeah, probably the most impressive non-dedicated winter tire, in my opinion. Okay. All right. Cool. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, good job, you guys.
Yeah, and just kind of a fun comparo here with a couple of 4Runners. Nice to get back into a 4Runner just because it's been so long since we've driven one. New 4Runner is coming out soon, and actually the TOPher is in California driving the new 4Runner right now, so that's why I'm out here doing this. But thank you guys all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.
You guys just here for the day?
Yeah, leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yep.